IPL 2020 saw the rise of a lot of young Indian players. Most of them stood up to perform for their teams at desperate times and when the teams needed them the most. Here are 5 such players who made the most impact on games this season. Ishan Kishan. Ishan Kishan has batted beautifully on top of the order this season. He has big hitting potential and also holds the record for the most number of sixes hit by a player this season for his 29 sixes. His big hitting has helped him score 483 runs this season with an average of 53.66 on top of the order. He played a mammoth of 99 runs to take his team to the super over early this season, which boosted his confidence to perform beautifully throughout the season. Another Mumbai Indian batsman, Suryakumar Yadav, has proved his worth to the squad time and time again this season. He has scored 461 runs this season and by being a match winner with the bat in almost all the games. He holds the record for the first uncapped player to play 100 IPL games. He also holds the record for the most number of boundaries hit by a batsman this season for his 60 boundaries. Ruturaj Gaikwad made his way into the Chennai Super Kings squad after recovering for COVID-19 and found it difficult to settle in the squad. He scored 202 runs in his last 3 games, and this only shows how talented this man really is. He also holds the record for being the first uncapped player to score 3 consecutive scores of 50 and above. He batted really well on top of the order this season with an average of 51. Varun Chakravarti proved to be an excellent mystery spinner for Kolkata Knight Riders this season and was brilliant with the ball. His economy rate was not really high and he picked up wickets this season, and most of which came under crucial times, which make him a very key bowler for Kolkata Knight Riders. He is the only bowler to have taken a 5-wicket haul this season so far, and these stats just speak volumes of this man's potential. Devdutt Padikkal. Devdutt Padikkal proved to be a dependable opener for Royal Challengers Bangalore with his consistency in batting on top of the order for RCB. He has a brilliant strike rate and scored 472 runs in this season. He created a record for the highest runs scored by an uncapped player in a single season in IPL. He also holds a record for scoring the most 50+ scores as an uncapped player in a single IPL season for his 5 scores of 50+. These are the 5 players who showed massive potential and proved to be heroes for their teams in this season. The future of Indian cricket looks to be in capable hands. Who was your favorite player? Let us know down below.